In this project, we are going to continue practicing our molding skills, joining skills, and imaginative skills. Right. In this segment, we're going to continue to practice rolling the round form. You can break a few small pieces out from the main block and have your child to roll various roundish forms. You can demonstrate again how to roll the ball of clay in between the palms. You can also use the table, the flat surface on the table to help in the rolling, and do not use the fingers. If you do that, you can see that the ball of clay will not be round at all. So the trick is to use the palm of the hand. There. Roll a few round forms. After one or two fully round forms, you can look at rolling oval forms. You can also explore the square form. To get started, first roll a circular form, a ball, and then you can flatten the sides just using a gentle squeeze between the fingers, or you can tap on the wooden board to get a flat surface. So make a few cubes or cuboids. You can also play with making a longish form such as a koi. And among all the shapes, what shape is missing? So over here I'm showing how to make a spiky form. So you can place a round form on the table and pinch it as you rotate the form, and you will more or less get a sort of a mountain shape, a cone shape there. So once you're pretty much done, we want to practice how to join all these pieces onto the base. So this flat piece is going to kind of flatten it out. Make sure it's not too thin, okay, otherwise it will be prone to cracking. And once you get about 1 cm sort of thickness, you can start to work with your child to trim the sides to make it a little bit neater. In this instance, you can practice cutting with the modeling tool. You can either use the modeling tool or the cutting tool. Once the base is shaped, you can look at practicing how to blend one piece of clay onto another. So this is a finger blending technique. We can practice that again. You can do the same for the other pieces. Either use the tip of the tool or your fingertips to blend the clay down. The last thing to do is to neaten the edges and look at how to use the tools to introduce some marks or patterns onto the surface. In this instance, I'm making a grass-like texture using the pointy tip of the tool. Certainly you can decorate it any way you want. This is just one example.